Okay, perfect. We're live here on YouTube and here on Instagram. I don't expect a lot of people, so a lot of people will be at work. I'm not too sure which part of the world the people are, so some people will not even be here. So I'm just gonna go and just talk now instead of waiting around until people come into the live session. First of all, I would like to apologize if maybe my dog starts barking, or if maybe my cat comes or some other noises. So just that for now. Okay. First thing first, I would like to thank you all so much for reaching 302 subscribers. I know for a lot of people it's not a lot, but for me, because it's such a niche category that I'm like niche topic. There you go, niche topic that I'm talking about. Of course, people are not as interested in maybe makeup or gaming or whatever else. So for me, reaching 300 people, it's quite good, and especially because I've been very inconsistent with my uploading. So at least I know that people are here and they like what I'm doing. So let's jump right in. I don't want it to be a big long. Have to watch it again, so it's better to just keep it simple and very small. So where have I been? There are a lot of things that have changed for me in the past couple of months. So basically, the channel had to take a step because as much as it's horrible to say, it's not a big priority at the moment. The thing is, I have moved from one to another. I have changed careers. And so it's been quite. So I was like, nah, I can't do the channel as well as everything else at the moment. The career that I'm choosing requires me to pass some exams first. So I have passed one. I'm going to pass another one on Saturday, but the topic is horrible. It's something that I'm really good at, so it's going to be very difficult for me to pass it, and I'm not holding much hope, to be quite honest. So I'm gonna try it though and see how it goes. If I don't pass this test, then chances are I'm not getting the job that I want, and it's going to be very frustrating because it's the last little bit before I can get the job. And if I don't pass it before July the 31st, I'm not getting the job. So as you can see, it's a bit of a stressful situation at the moment. So basically, that's where I've been. And where am I going with the channel? Don't worry, I'm not leaving it. I'm not just saying, oh, you know what, screw this. Actually, I'm going to wait a little bit though, and then I'm gonna try to be very consistent with my uploadings, because I do want to continue this and I do love it, and I do love going in front of the camera and then editing, but at the moment it's just too hectic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little break. And I'm going to wait until hopefully August with any luck. August, September, I'm going to try and do another upload and be very consistent with it and try to do one upload every week. So, but this is not going to be possible until I know for sure that I have the job. So for now, I'm just going to to hopefully pass this test before the 31st of July. And then after that, I'm going to see what's happening with it. If not, I would have to come up with a plan B, which is not going to be fun, but you know, shit happens. So if I have to do it, I will have to do it. But at the moment, I will have to wait. So if I do pass the test on before July the 31st, most probably I will start uploading middle of August again. If not, I'll see you in September. And I don't think there's anything else to be said, to be quite honest. I did say that it was going to be very small because I don't want to, you know, people afterwards to be like, OMG, it's an hour long. I don't have an hour and I don't want to waste an hour like this. So I'm going to keep it very short and sweet. But yeah, if you have any questions for me in the meantime, you can find me on Instagram and on Facebook. I am very active there, although you don't, to be quite honest, but I do reply to all my messages, or at least I try to reply to all my messages, especially on Instagram. So if you need anything, if you would like me to cover a topic when I come back, please let me know there, and then I'll take it from there. But for now, this is all. Again, thank you so much for 301 subscribers. And I suppose I will see you in either August or September. Send a lot of good and positive, successful vibes. Thank you so much. Azimiri. And bye. Oops. This phone needs to be thrown away so much. And this. And love. Yes.